Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily remove the TikTok logo from a video. Be sure to watch the video till the very end to avoid any mistakes. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Search for the video you would like to download and remove the TikTok logo from. Tap on the share icon, usually an arrow pointing right, on the video you want to download. From the options that appear, tap on Save Video. This will immediately save the video to your camera roll. Now open the Photos app on your device. Locate the recently saved video in your camera roll. You'll notice that the TikTok logo overlays the video. To download the TikTok video without the logo, go back to the TikTok app, tap on the three dots, ellipse icon on the video you want to download. Select Copy Link to copy the video's link to your device clipboard. Next, open any web browser on your device. You can use Safari or any other browsers. Go to the website Snaptik app, not the correct spelling. Once the website loads, paste the copied URL into the provided file and tap on Download. Ignore any ads that may appear and scroll down until you find the Download button. Tap on it. Confirm the download when prompted. After the download is complete, go to your device Downloads folder. Tap on the Downloads video file, tap on the Share and then select Save Video. Now open the Photos app again and you'll find the downloaded video without the TikTok logo. That is it. You've successfully removed the TikTok logo from the video. Now you can use it as you like. Thanks for watching.